somber day for New Mexico as people across the state say goodbye to a legal pioneer, former Chief Justice Charles Daniels. He passed away early this morning at age 76. Action 7 News reporter Justin Matthews is here to show us the impact he had on our state and how colleagues are remembering him tonight. Justin.
We spoke with Chief Justice Judith Nakamura earlier today, who says Justice Daniels was a titan of the law. She talked to us about some of his greatest accomplishments and what it was like to call such an influential person her friend.
Charlie was larger than life.
A piece of New Mexico went missing early Sunday morning when we learned retired Supreme Court Justice Charles Daniels passed away at age 76.
He was the most brilliant, kindest, smartest person I think I have ever encountered. He had a tremendous impact, not just on me personally, but lawyers and judges throughout the state. He had an incredible impact, and certainly on the law as well.
Current Chief Justice Judith Nakamura was sworn in by Justice Daniels when he retired.
Do solemnly swear that I will support the Constitution of the United States.
The legal community is honoring Justice Daniels' leadership in pretrial justice. Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham said in a statement, "I am truly saddened by the loss of an undisputed leader in the New Mexico legal community." Also saying Justice Daniels was an honest and committed jurist, a man of stellar wit and devotion to fairness and equity. Attorney General Hector Balderas writing, "He was a champion of fairness and equality in our judicial system. My thoughts are with his family and friends." Friends and colleagues are also remembering him for his life outside of the courtroom.
He enjoyed playing his bass guitar in a group called the Incredible Woodpeckers. He was a race car driver. He loved and embraced life.
And embraced a career as a lawyer on criminal and civil cases for 38 years. Justice Daniels served on the New Mexico Supreme Court for 11 years. He was selected by the National Association of Pretrial Services Agencies for a special recognition award for his leadership in changing the rules in our state for the release and detention of criminal defendants awaiting trial. Justin Matthews, KOAT, Action 7 News.
Thank you, Justin. Justice Daniels is survived by his wife, 4 children, and 7 grandchildren. Once we know the details of his funeral, we will let you know.